Thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, February 16th. We saw some rain overnight with about an inch of accumulation here at Wallops. We also saw some isolated thunderstorm activity. Most of that rain was out of the area by sunrise this morning. We did see an early low around sunset yesterday of 39 degrees. Temperatures were then rising throughout the overnight hours, and we saw some very mild temperatures for a mid-February morning with our high temperature already achieved today of 61 degrees earlier this morning. Temperatures have since fallen into the lower 50s, and they are expected to remain between the low to mid 50s as we go into the afternoon. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, there's that front that passed the area overnight, giving us those scattered showers and some isolated thunderstorms. Gonna be dry for the remainder of the day, but it looks like these low clouds between about 500 to 1,500 feet are going to stick around throughout much of the day today, and then clearing up as we go into tonight. And then we'll just have some mid and upper level cloudiness move in as we go into tomorrow. Taking a look at our satellite across the region this morning. There you see that abundant area of low clouds across much of the mid-Atlantic. Some of it is trying to burn off, but it is going to be sticking around our area, it looks like, throughout the afternoon, and then clearing up as we go into tonight as we get a little bit more drier air moving into the area. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we are seeing southwesterly winds as of 7 a.m. pretty much across the entire column. They were fairly low at the surface, and then just above the surface, seeing them all the way up to 40 to 50 knots, steadily increasing up towards around 80 knots between 9 to 20,000 feet, and then maxing out at the 25,000 foot level at 95 knots. Very high freezing level this morning, especially for middle of February at just below 11,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing southwesterly winds at 10 to 15 knots and slightly gusty this morning. We likely already saw our high temperature of 61 degrees earlier, so temperatures are going to remain around the mid-50s as we go into the afternoon. Really depends on how much sunshine is able to make it through these low clouds. We'll see those winds shift westerly as we go into the afternoon hours and becoming a bit gusty with gusts close to 30 knots possible, and then becoming northwesterly by sunset at 10 to 15 knots and gusty. Winds are going to remain a little bit high as we go into the evening, around 8 to 13 knots and slightly gusty from the northwest, and then just northwest at 8 to 13 knots by mid-morning tomorrow. We are expecting a chilly morning tomorrow of 25 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast throughout the day, going to be seeing a few clouds at 500 feet, broken at 1,500, overcast at 3,500. We are going to be continuing to see those low clouds perhaps becoming broken at 500 feet at times as we go into the afternoon. Then seeing maybe some peaks of sunshine towards the mid to late afternoon period. And as we go into sunset, we're going to continue to see those low clouds, but those should be starting to really clear out by midnight, and then seeing some mid-level clouds move in at 15,000 and 20,000 feet by sunrise tomorrow. We are seeing tides 1/2 foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a look at our long-term weather model to show you how the pattern will be progressing. This was our system that brought us that rain last night, and then as we go into today, we are going to be seeing those winds shift northwesterly, become a little bit gusty this afternoon, and then we'll see a chillier air mass move in for tomorrow morning, giving us that low of 25 degrees that we are expecting. As we go into Wednesday, going to be seeing some high pressure build across the mid-Atlantic. That should give us a fairly pleasant day tomorrow, seasonable and dry. And then as we go into Thursday, we're going to be seeing a early low, it looks like, on Wednesday night, and then seeing our next system approach the area for Thursday. Possibly seeing some wintry mix down here on the onset, and maybe even a little bit of snow up towards Salisbury, and especially for areas well north of Salisbury across Delaware. Going to be seeing a little bit of snow Thursday morning, or some wintry mix, but that'll quickly change to all rain by the late morning, mid to late morning at the latest. Especially down here, it's looking more and more unlikely that we're going to see any wintry precipitation mix in. It does look like it's most likely going to be an all-rain event here at Wallops as we go throughout the day Thursday, but there's going to be quite a bit of rain falling throughout the day on Thursday and into Thursday night as well. Also going to be seeing those showers linger into Friday morning, but by Friday afternoon, that system should be out of here, and it will be taking that rain with it. And then as we go into the weekend, we are going to be getting a chilly air mass move through the area. It's going to be some high pressure moving in, bringing chilly highs into the 30s, as well as chilly lows. Saturday does look a little bit breezy, as well as this high pressure moves into the area. Then on Sunday, we're going to be seeing that high pressure move overhead. That'll help give us a fairly pleasant but chilly day with some light winds across the region. And then moving into the next weekend, we'll start to look at our next system approaching the area on Monday. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, going to be seeing partly sunny skies today with that high of 61 occurring already, so we'll see temperatures drop today, and then seeing that chilly low tomorrow of 25 with a temperature of around 39 degrees tomorrow. Thursday is going to see an early low of 28 and then a high of 41 degrees on for Thursday with rain expected throughout the day and into Thursday night, and then Friday we're going to be seeing those lingering showers throughout the morning hours with a high of 44. Chilly for Saturday and Sunday with a high of 37 on Saturday. Could be a little bit breezy out there with gusts to around 25 to 30 knots or so. So we'll have to keep an eye on that for our upcoming Antares launch. Sunday is going to be rather pleasant, pretty seasonable out there. Very cold morning expected though with a low of 22. High of 42 with light winds expected. And then Monday we'll see another front move across the region, giving us some scattered showers with a high of 49. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.